Did you know that your employer can fire you if you become impaired due to mental health issues? This might seem harsh, yes, but it's true. Someone with mental health issues, like depression or anxiety, can be terminated from their job if those mental health issues prevent them from performing their job over an extended period of time. There are countless individuals who suffer from mental health issues, which become debilitating and result in job loss. This situation can be devastating, but that does not mean you're out of options. Hi, I'm Andrew, one of the partners at Kantor Kantor Law. Our law firm specializes in helping disabled individuals navigate the maze of obtaining disability benefits from their insurance company. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what an individual should do if they've lost their job or are facing job loss as a result of a mental health condition. Millions of individuals suffer from mental health issues which do not interfere with their ability to work. However, there are numerous people whose mental health issues prevent them from doing their work. What do you do if you suffer from mental health issues which become so severe that they prevent you from working, even with supportive accommodations? What do you do if you're terminated from your job or forced to resign as a result? First, it's important to know your rights. Many people believe that an employer cannot terminate you from your job if you become disabled due to a medical issue. But this is simply not true. After 12 weeks of FMLA have run, your employer can terminate you from your job if you remain unable to work, even if it's a result of a medical condition. Employers are required to provide reasonable accommodations. If you feel that your employer has not provided you reasonable accommodations to help you do your job, contact a disability discrimination attorney immediately. For these people, it is critical to understand your entitlement, if any, to long-term disability benefits through your employer. For those whose mental health issues cannot be accommodated by their employer, it is critical for these people to understand their entitlement to long-term disability benefits through their employer. If you are unsure whether you have entitlement to such coverage, reach out to your HR administrator and ask them for a summary of all employee benefits. If you have short-term or long-term disability coverage, you are entitled to make a claim whenever you become unable to perform your own occupation. While specific definitions and coverage requirements will vary by policy, almost all policies will pay benefits for mental health-related disabilities. This includes depression, anxiety, and PTSD, or any other condition that is traditionally diagnosed by a psychiatrist. If you are considering filing a disability claim, the first thing you should do is request a copy of your policy from your employer. Make sure to do so in writing. In most circumstances, your employer is required to respond within 30 days. And when you receive your policy, pay special attention to the limitation section. This is because many policies will only pay 2 years' worth of benefits for mental health-related disabilities. If you're ready to make a claim, talk to your doctor, especially if your doctor has not explicitly supported your leave from work. Let your doctor know that they will need to complete forms in order to certify your disability. Next, request a copy of your claim forms from your employer. Fill the forms out completely and honestly as possible. Don't be afraid to attach an addendum if you want to provide additional information. If you have any questions about your disability claim, contact a long-term disability attorney for a free consultation. For those who have been terminated because of their disability, it is critical to remember that you can still file a claim for benefits even after you've lost your job. The key is to properly prove that your disability was the reason you were terminated or forced to resign. This is what happened to a recent client of ours who was fired as a result of performance issues. Her employer did not know that she had successfully worked through mental health issues, including bipolar disorder, for many years. When her condition worsened, she was terminated. She filed a claim, but it was denied. She mistakenly stated that her disability began after she was terminated, rather than before. She was so distressed from her disability and the denial that it took her months to even reach out to us for help. But after contacting us, we were able to submit an appeal. We were not only able to confirm that she had coverage under the policy, but that she was entitled to benefits as well. So if you're considering filing a long-term disability claim, call a long-term disability lawyer for a free consultation. If your claim has been denied, seek representation now. It doesn't cost you anything out of pocket, as all of our cases are taken on a contingency basis, which means we only get paid if you win. If you are concerned about your disability claim in any way, please give us a call. We will review your case and make sure to identify all of your options. Here at Kantor Kantor, we take pride in helping people, and we look forward to helping you.